On this video, I'm going to show you a repair I'm going to have to do. We had a lot of snow and ice that piled up on top of here, and I actually got some water into my shower area. Kind of wondering what was going on. You can see here, this moisture is on the inside, and what I didn't see is I've got some issues right here where that looks like it could be leaking underneath that sealant. So I'm going to have to clean that up real good and get that resealed. It looks like down here on the bottom edge it's got some gaps as well, so we're going to have to rework that a little bit, and that'll be our project. I'll have to look and see if there's other spots. Like I said, this camper is right at 5 years old, so there's some different areas on it. So this is where the leakage looks like it's come in. Not sure where it's actually come through here on the ceiling, probably around one of these edges. Eventually I'm going to take this off and dry out the inside. But you can see I got a big downpour last night, and it's dripped down this wall. I'm not sure if you can see that there. It's dripped all the way down this wall, and I got a little puddle at the bottom of the little tub here. So, and then also behind the wall, it looks like it may have leaked. So a few of my other patches I need to do on the roof is, you can see this is where I think it was last year, maybe the year before, I did a patch right here, but you'll see this little crack right here that's developed, and that's what happens after so many years. So you want to look for that kind of thing. I'll brush this up, clean it up a little bit with a little bit of alcohol, and then put the new sealant over top of that. So I see a spot there. I'll have to inspect and make sure that that whole line along that front cap is done. This is just something you need to do almost every year, especially after about 2 years old, but it's good to do this yearly. So I'm sure people do this differently, but in my case, I'm using a little bit of alcohol to clean it up a little bit. I'm using this brush to get anything loose out of this. So I'm going to seal up this little area, and a little bit of a crack right in here. I'm going to go ahead and do the whole area right through here. So working on that skylight, I cleaned this area up, wiped it down, and took care of that crease that was back here, and then the whole front or side edge had to be redone, so I ran a bead down through there. Nice thing about this lap sealant, that you have the self-leveling. Once the sun comes out a little bit, it'll actually flow down into those cracks real nice. So you gotta be careful, because it need to be done on a flat surface, because if you don't do it on a flat surface, it will run all over the place. So make sure doing the roof, it works out pretty good, because it'll flow in all those areas. So here's that front edge. Got it looking pretty good, and like I say, I think we're gonna be okay for another year at least. So that's about all I have for this video, and if you have any questions on how I sealed this up, put it in the comments, and if you do it a different other way, let me know as well. But I think we got this project pretty well done, and we'll see you again on another one of these RV shorts.